Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's home cooking, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make my jalebi. It was requested for so long, and let me take you to the ingredient so we can get started. In this bowl I have all-purpose flour, semolina, just 1 table of semolina for 1 cup of flour, half teaspoon of yeast, some plain yogurt, orange food color, and some water. I'm using orange food color, but you can use yellow food color or you can use red. So I'm gonna add my food color and all my ingredients. I'm just gonna mix them up just like that, and then I'm gonna add my yogurt. Gives this a mix, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of warm water. Just add a little bit at a time, and then just keep mixing. I'm using a hand whisk. You can do this by hand, you can do this with just a spoon or just a wooden spoon. The way just to make life easy. And this is how the batter should look like. Not too thick, not too thin. Now, to make a good jalebi, you guys need to follow this step-by-step process. So now this has to sit for at least 8 hours on your kitchen counter, not in the fridge, nothing. And then after 8 hours, then it is ready to go fry the jalebi. And you can see over here, I have already made this morning, and you can see how the batter looks like with the yeast and the yogurt. I'm actually gonna give this a mix. You see that? This is how it's supposed to be. Okay, so now I'm gonna set this on a side. Now in this saucepan I have 2 cups of water. I'm gonna add 2 cups of granulated sugar and just few cardamoms, and then I'm gonna go put this to boil. It's gonna take you about 10 minutes to boil, and then we're gonna set the syrup on a side, and then we're gonna move ahead. And now I'm gonna go fill my bag. I'm using a pastry bag. I put the pastry bag in the glass so it is easy to fill. You can use a ketchup bottle. Just fill it. This batter will be enough for 1 pastry bag. And now that I have my pastry bag ready, and then I just want to cut this a little bit. Don't cut it too big, you're gonna get a thick jalebi. And now let's go fry this. Now it is very important for you to have your oil at the right temperature. This is on medium high temperature, and your oil should be not hot and not too warm, should be at the right temperature. And now just shape your jalebi. And this has to fry for about 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes. Have to turn them. Now it's time to remove the jalebi, and then I just want to let all the oil, like the maximum of the oil, to drain before I put them in the sugar syrup. And now you put them straight to the sugar syrup. Now I'm gonna remove this. You're gonna leave the jalebi in the syrup for half minute, and then remove it to a cookie rack. Let the excess syrup drop on the tray in the bottom, and then I'm gonna keep frying the rest. Jalebi is ready. It's time to dig into it. It is so quick and easy, so simple ingredient. Just follow the step by step. The way I showed you, you're gonna love the way the jalebi came out. It's slightly crunch, yet soft in the middle, and not too sweet. It is, hear this? Hear this? I don't know if you can hear, but This is so good. This is so delicious. I just can't eat this. Can't stop eating this. Get the recipe down below. I will see you next time. Bye.